Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to make cupcakes.
Hooray! Hey guys, does my hair look like JoJo's hair?
Does your hair look like JoJo's hair?
Mm-hmm.
Of course it does, because that was what we were trying to achieve, right? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here we are. We have our Pillsbury funfetti strawberry cake and cupcake mix with candy bits. 24, it makes 24 cupcakes.
Mm-hmm. 24.
Here's our frosting. Same unicorn funfetti vanilla and also has the little unicorn sprinkles and stars. Pink, purple, yellow, blue. These baking cups I got at our local grocery store. There's 50 cups. We just got these polka dot ones. There was white ones and polka dot ones. I just said why not get the polka dot, right? Mm-hmm. And then we also have our baking pans that we got prior from the Dollar Tree. We got our baking pans there. There's 6, so 12 cupcakes. And let's get started. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready, Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, you could soak anything. You could wet anything.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So right here are the instructions. All you need is 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, and 4 large eggs, okay, in the oven. And I have to obviously probably preheat it. I gotta take those pots and pans off of here and preheat the oven to 350. Oh no, I gotta take those off before it gets warm. And then we have our vegetable oil, Kroger vegetable oil, and our 4 eggs right there, and our mixing bowl. You want to open this box?
Yeah.
Open the top for mommy right there. I gotta get these pans off of here before it starts getting warm. And excuse my dishes, my kitchen needs to be tidied up and cleaned up. I need to do my dishes and wipe off my counters and my stove. But I didn't want to wait too late for the cupcakes, so I wanted to get started. So I just cleaned off the area that we needed most.
Ooh, the cupcakes.
But I still gotta, do our dishes and stuff, wash the bowls, and I gotta wipe this down. This is an extra pan just in case. Okay, you got it open?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me grab the scissors.
I'll probably just hold it like this.
Yep, you can hold it 2 hands. Pick it up for mommy. And you can dump it in the bowl, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it. Now you dump it in the bowl.
Or right here?
Yes, you can put it in that bowl. That's our mixing bowl, honey. Good job. You always wanted to help, right? And make something?
Yeah.
But Papa, no, honey.
And what is it?
We have to, no, Papa. We have to make the cupcakes, babe. Just wait, baby.
Throw this in the garbage.
Yes, I can put this in the garbage.
No, Papa.
Daddy, no.
He just really wants to try the cupcake.
I know.
Ooh.
Okay, so now that we have,
Can I pour the water?
yeah, I will get the water for you. Just wait a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Because it says 350 for the oven. Then it says mix the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in 1 bowl. Speed for 2 minutes. Pour batter in the pan. Okay. Bake for how long? We'll look at that in a minute. Let me prepare and get this little boy out of the cake. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, careful. Bring it closer to you. Oh, you can pour it. Careful. All right. Good job with the oil. Now you ready to crack the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the eggs right here. You know how to crack them?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be careful. 2 hands, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Crack it. You can crack it on the hard thing. Yeah, you have to crack it on the hard thing. Papa. Okay, Papa, this is not like slime or anything. You can put your fingers in there and play with it. Alright, come on. Here. Does Mommy need to do the eggs, honey?
No.
Okay, come on. Go ahead. There you go. It's already cracked now. Pop it open. Yep. Just don't get no shell in there. Put on this plate right there. Yep. Good job. Keep going. So we can mix it all up. Good job. No shell. Good job.
My hands are getting all slimy.
You're doing good. Okay. And we do not have a mixer. That's okay. Just grab it out like that. The shell.
I need to wash me.
Okay, if you need to go wash your hands, go wash your hands. You can just get down. Okay, and I'm gonna try to do it with the spoon. I'm probably gonna need 2 hands. I'll start with 1 for right now. Oh, I left the water on. Hold on. Turn the water on. I'm probably gonna need 2 hands. Yeah, so we'll be right back so Mommy can mix. Good job, baby. Yeah. Good job, baby. Good. Mixing, mixing, mixing.
No, Papa, no.
It's okay. He can do it too. Let him try. It's okay. You can try. Come on, sister. Let your brother try now.
It's his turn now.
Okay, mix it up, baby. You mix it up. It's your turn. You got it. Good job. Help him mix it, sister. It's okay, sister's gonna help you. Oh, whatever. Yeah, your eggs. Let's move that over there. We don't know if we're gonna use that extra pan, but if we have some left over, we can use that pan over there. But we're gonna just make a few cupcakes. Okay, want Mommy to help you out a little bit?
Yeah.
Because I'm probably gonna have to put some pressure on it.
Ooh, you're moving the pan.
I know, I'm gonna have to hold it. I'm gonna have to hold it still.
You need to hold it?
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted to help you cook.
I know. And I said, great, this is great, because this is something we can do together. Because you've been waiting, right?
Mm-hmm. I've been waiting to help.
You've been waiting to get in the kitchen and make something of your own, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, see all that mix still in there?
Yeah.
We gotta get that all mixed
Hey, there's
up.
a fly on my hand.
Uh-oh.
Do you see?
Sprinkles. Mm-hmm. Sprinkles, sprinkles. They look like they're blue, yellow. But I think they're purple and yellow, not blue and yellow. Because on the box, the sprinkles are purple and yellow on there.
Kind of red.
Yeah, they look like there's some other colors in there. Okay, let's show the camera. I don't know, is that smooth enough or we need to mix a little bit more?
Can I help put the sprinkles in?
Of course, but that's at the end, honey, okay?
Okay.
They already have sprinkles in there. Those took that. The sprinkles in here are to go on top of the cupcakes. Sprinkle on top of your cupcakes, okay?
Okay. Wait, no. Do I put them in the jam?
Yes, you do.
Papa, no.
Good job. Keep going.
No, Papa.
Okay. You filling them all up, sister?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. I'll clean up this mess when I'm done.
Hey, Papa.
Okay, give him 1 cup so he can do it too. It's okay. Give him a cup. Okay. Go ahead, Daddy. Put it right here. No. Not on the wet counter where there's egg mess.
Papa, right here.
Put it in there, baby. Here. Good job. Here, let me scoot it closer for you, baby. There you go.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, Papa.
Okay, keep going. Come on, sister, keep going because you gotta fill them up too. Don't forget. Making our unicorn cupcakes.
There we go.
Okay, fill the other pan up. Unicorn cupcakes. Good job. Yeah, and we don't have to waste this one, sister, okay? So just do these ones. You don't have to get an extra one out. He'll leave it there. Sister's making unicorn cupcakes.
Hey, Papa, that's the whole thing.
We don't need all of them, baby. We're gonna save some for next time.
Just one more. You got this. Mommy, my brother said, you got this.
Aw. Okay, good job. You do got this. Good job. All right, so no, Papa, you can have that spoon, okay? Yeah, keep that with you, baby. Let me move this glass cup over here, and then right here, I had to switch the spoons to a little bit smaller one because I don't have anything to. Okay, keep that spoon, honey.
Hey, Papa.
I don't have anything to put it
We're
in there,
trying to
so
make
I'll
cupcakes.
try to do it as well as I can.
Mama, can I do it?
Yes, you can. I have to show you. It's gonna be a little messy probably for you, but you see how I did that?
Uh-huh.
Just wait, don't drag it and make a big old mess. You just have to wait a little bit. I mean, that's fine. You can't make a mess because I'll clean it up anyways, but it's a less of a mess that you can make if you're just patient, okay? Okay, go ahead. You can try. Hold on, Daddy. Hold on. Okay. Just wait. Okay, go ahead, honey. You can. It's okay if it makes a little mess. Just. You're doing great. Good job, sister. Okay, I know, but mommy doesn't want you to make a big old mess, honey. I know you will. It's okay. I know, baby. It's okay. You can still eat the cupcakes when they're done. You can still eat them. I'll just wipe the side, sister. It's okay. Keep going. And hold on. And I will probably. Okay. We will be back after this small commercial break. Okay, here they are. They're ready to go in. And we actually had extra for a little mini cake over here. And our cupcakes. And our oven. What are you doing on the counter? The kids are licking the bowl. They probably shouldn't be, but oh well. Put this cake in.
And I'm on the counter sitting on it.
You're on the counter sitting on it. Like a crazy person. Are you ready for the cupcake?
Yes.
Okay. They're in there.
stay in there?
Stay in where?
In the stove. How does that lid stay in the stove like that?
The lid?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. That's just how it...
Hey, my
how it
brother got
works.
some
I don't
cake
know.
on his forehead.
You got some cake on your forehead. Let me
Yeah.
see. Let me see. Ooh, cupcake boy. You got a sprinkle on your forehead, a purple sprinkle. Yeah.
Can't wait to put the sprinkles in.
Yep. Put the
We
sprinkles on top of
And
the whip.
And I love that they're unicorn.
Frosting, not whip. The frosting.
And they're unicorn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see a little unicorn.
Okay, we are just waiting till they're done.
So what are we gonna do while we wait?
We're just gonna wait. Oh yeah, we forgot to look and see how long it's gonna take. Ooh, those look good. Those look yummy. 350. We got it on 350. So I'm just gonna take the first time right here, or the first time right here. 24. I'm gonna do the 24 cupcakes. 19 to 23 minutes. Okay? Because that will probably be too much, so I won't do that one. 34 to 38 minutes. Because depending on your pan shape and depth and width and blah 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 blah. So we're just gonna do the 19 to 23 minutes and check on them.
Mommy, let's
to see how they look.
Can I have chicken?
Chicken. Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Canned goods. You want canned goods?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you want for supper? You don't want something else?
Canned soup.
Soup? You always want canned soup. You like canned soup that much, huh?
I want this.
Okay. Well,
This canned soup.
well, it's up there for you, so.
Macaroni.
We'll be back. So I guess the kids are just gonna wait patiently for the cupcakes to cook, right? I guess. Yeah, I guess that's what they're doing because they're in the kitchen. And me just trying to look for my lighter. I don't know what I'm watching on that TV. Papa, you're gonna make a mess with that bowl, boy. He's like, and so, and you gonna clean it up too. Okay. I don't know what the heck is on this TV. I'm just. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside. So yeah. Let's just go outside. It shouldn't take too long, okay? Oh, let me get the dog out. Let me take the dog outside. Let's go, dog. Don't be barking at people. Be barking at people, dog. Look at the kid. What are you guys doing, huh? What? You guys got some snacks? Okay. Are you guys coming outside too? Oh my goodness, they're coming outside too. Everybody's coming outside. That's alright. You can come outside.
Open on the bug.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look, even a leaf.
I know. Caught a couple of stuff on there, huh? What?
Me and my brother are eating a snack while we wait.
Hush, Sky. Waiting on the cupcakes. Stuff in your mouth? You stuff in your mouth? Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say how are you guys?
Hey guys. We're back and the cupcakes are cooking. Hey guys. Hey, don't eat my feet.
Yep, so we're just waiting for the cupcakes. Uh-oh, Papa, be careful. I don't want to hurt you, honey. You want to see?
Mommy, I just got that cupcake on his forehead and eaten it.
What the heck? She just said she took the cupcake off of his forehead and ate it.
Yeah, I took the sprinkle off of his forehead.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna have some sprinkles, okay? It's never that serious. Sky.
Oh my goodness, she's going potty.
She's going potty.
See, that's one potty right there. That's our dog. She's always going places.
That's our dog. She's always going places.
But she's not going.
Like going in the street.
Yeah, she's always going.
Careful, Papa. Be careful. It's hot. Nope, nope. Gotta be careful. Let me put him down. Here they are. They're cooling down. He is upset. He needs to cool down. Okay. Don't fit. You're gonna get some. It's cooling down. Here we go. Our little cake over here. And our cupcakes.
Can I put some candles on there so that
Candles?
we can make a little wish?
Okay. She wants to put candles on her cupcakes. So we're going to let them cool down so she can dress them with frosting and sprinkles.
Good.
Huh?
They smell so good.
They smell so good? Okay. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Yes!
To put the frosting
Yes!
on the top?
Yes!
Okay. Dang.
I'm so happy!
All right, here's the sprinkles, frosting, vanilla, our little cake, and our cupcake.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, funfetti. I'm going to start off because they're still cooling down, so I'm going to start off over here with the cake, see if the cake will take the frosting.
Yeah.
And then Miss Princess over here can do her cupcakes. Okay, the middle right there is a little, looks like it's a little fragile. Yep, oh, yep, it's still hot. You see the cake coming up and kind of messing up. You're supposed to wait till it's fully cold before you try to dress it with frosting. But that's okay, those cupcakes will be done by then. And I'm just gonna do this.
They look good.
Well, get to it. It's your turn. Go ahead. So this is the cake, you guys. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, hold on, honey. That's a bit too much. Okay. It may need that much. That's fine. But look, you always want to start with a little first. Okay.
Okay.
Start with a little bit, and then you just go around the cupcake like this. Okay. You're doing great. How hungry are you to eat these cupcakes?
1,000,000.
You're a million. You're a million times hungry. You're silly. Good job. You're doing great. That's good. You just gotta get it all on the cupcakes. Don't forget your sprinkles. Okay, after you eat supper, you can have a cupcake. You want to see Papa? Here, Mommy will lift you up. Ooh. Wow. Wow. What? Okay, come on. I can't hold you, too. Okay. Here, you want the iPad? Okay. Here. I'll help you. I'll help you. Good job, sister. Keep going. We still got more. Sorry, you guys. I got frosting on my face right there. Come and get the babies. Diapers and wipes. Come on, Papa, so we can change your... Yep, sister's almost done putting the frosting on the... Sister's almost done putting the frosting on the cupcakes. You can have a little diaper change. He got frosting on his face. Yeah, time for a little diaper change, honey. Cat. Okay, here. Hold on. Let Mommy see so I can help you. There you go. I'm gonna help you, honey. Diaper change. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna help you for as long as you need my help. Okay? However old you are, it doesn't matter. As long as you need my help, I'm gonna be there for you, okay? To help you. Okay, pamper boy, diaper boy. Good job. All done. All done. Yeah. Let's go wipe your face. We need to wipe your face. And your stinky, dirty diaper, put it in the garbage. Yeah, let's wipe that face. You just got all kind of stuff, huh? On your face. All right, still waiting for the cupcake.
I love you. I love you. I love you. Hey, I have a question. Hey, I have a question. Hey, I have a question.
Alrighty, come on. It's your turn to do the sprinkles. A little bit, just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Put it on your cupcakes. Here's the cupcakes. We are all done. As soon as Princess gets the sprinkles on. What happened, Papa? Careful, baby. Okay, Princess. Good job. You're doing great. 2 more. Okay, put some on that last one and let's try one. Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try your cupcakes.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one should we eat?
It's up to you. You want to do a little small one since you haven't ate. We haven't ate supper yet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So since we, made our dessert early before our supper, she'll just try a little piece. And we'll have some food, real food. Come on. You want to pick it up? It's okay if it gets messy. Mm-hmm. It's a cupcake, honey. Eat it, honey. Now take the paper off. You got to take the paper off. Careful, baby.
It's messing up.
It's okay. Just take the paper off, honey. Okay, there's your cupcake. You want to try it? Let me see. Mmm. You like it? Let me see your bite. See the inside. Your purple sprinkles. Mommy has to fix your eyeshadow, honey, your makeup. You're still beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have to fix my makeup too. I don't know. We just have fun.
Mm-hmm.
We just do whatever, honey, have fun. We decided to make cupcakes today because we didn't get around to it yesterday. So we had to get up and do it today for my princess.
Yeah, because you were asleep.
I was sleeping, yeah. So I'm up now and you guys gonna have some supper and then you guys can continue eating your sweets. Give your brother a bite of that. Share with your brother.
There you go,
Let's see
Papa.
what he thinks of the cupcake. How's that, baby?
Mommy, look, I'm frosting on me.
You have frosting on your face. That's okay. Okay, well, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Papa.
Subscribe and like our channel. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo. What? What? Oh my goodness. Are you having fun in there? Come on. You're so silly. Go down the slide, baby. You ready to go inside? Peekaboo, I see you. I see you, Sky. I see you. Peekaboo. I hear you, Papa. What? What you trying to do? Slide down into the tent. Uh-oh, careful, careful, careful. You gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, Tarzan. Never got no clothes on. Never got any clothes on, Tarzan, boy. Come on, you wanna go inside with sister? Nope. Wanna be outside, Mom. Wanna be outside. There you go. Sky, calm down. What? What you doing? Peekaboo, I see you. I see you. Peekaboo. Come on, baby. It's so dusty in there now. Put it on. Sky. Get up, Sky. Move. Come on, Papa. Come on. Sky. Get down. What's wrong with you? Sky. Sky. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at, she's crazy. She's crazy. Look at her. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? What? Come on, it's dusty in there. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, Papa. Here, Mommy will help you. Come on, come on. Come on, let's go inside. Probably gonna have to take another bath. That's okay, Mom. Now they get to play outside. Okay, come on, Tarzan. No, because you ain't got no shoes on. Yeah, these people are gonna... This boy never got no shoes and clothes on. Yeah. Say, leave me alone. I don't want my clothes on. Oh, poor baby.